Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to remove background on any picture using Canva. It is so easy. This is a Canva Pro feature, so I will also show you what to do if you only have a free Canva subscription. Let's get started. First, upload your picture or choose one from Canva's library. Click on the picture and then click Edit Image. Click on the background remover and wait a few seconds for the magic to happen. You can also use the two functions, Erase and Restore. You can restore parts of your picture, just choose the brush size and use it in the post you want to restore. And with the erase function, you can erase what you don't want to have in your picture. This is really helpful because the remover is not always 100% effective. Like I mentioned before, this is a pro Canva function. So what could you do if you only have a free Canva account? You can upgrade it to Canva Pro, of course. Check out the description of this video to receive 30 days of Canva Pro for free. Or you can use a free online software called remove.bg. So type in your browser remove.bg. Then drop your picture or click Upload and upload it to the service. In a few seconds, you will have your background removed. In this program, you can check the original to see if everything you wanted is removed. But it also has a few cool options. Click Edit. An edit window will open and you can erase and restore, similar like in Canva. You can also change the background of the picture. You can choose between simple color backgrounds, or photo backgrounds. Now all you have to do is download it, upload it to Canva, and design your project. I hope I helped you out and made your creative work a little easier. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.